easier, right? Mix this one with your chocolate chip. Hurry, hurry guys, so we can pour the batter. The oven is ready.
Gonna pour the egg now into the bowl.
Oh, let's go, mister. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Go ahead and mix it up. Angelique, how many have you eaten? Jesus Christ. Okay, so you have a banana that is almost going bad, almost like this one right here, and you're wondering what to do with it. Well, hold up, don't throw it out yet, because I have the twins here to show you guys how to make a delicious moist
Banana bread. Okay everyone, so we're gonna be starting off with the banana.
You guys know the holiday is already here, and of course our babies, they be asking for snack all day every day. So something like this is just perfect for you to have at home for when they ask for snacks. So we're gonna go ahead and just mash the banana. Come on, Angel. Come on, come on, come on. You open it up. You guys can see the banana is almost going bad, but it's not bad, guys. You just want to repurpose your banana for banana bread. Oh my gosh, I love it when my banana is almost like, yeah, of course you guys can see it's no more eatable. So it's so mushy, right?
Yeah.
That you can't even eat it. So it makes it so much easier when you want to do your banana bread. Using a fork is, you know, it's easier, it's faster. But if you want to use maybe a mesh,
I think a mesh could be easier.
This would also work, Angelique, if you want to do this. Yeah, this would work perfect. It's easier, right? I don't know what happened to my camera, but I went ahead and I mixed. We have the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients. So I went ahead, I put my flour, sugar, baking soda, and I'm just going to go ahead and add salt. Yummy. Yummy, I know. Then,
it looks like something a baby would eat.
I know, exactly. It looks like a baby food.
Yeah,
right?
baby
Yeah,
food.
baby food.
Like what Ace used to eat.
Yeah, so I'm going to just go ahead and mix it up. Mix up the dry ingredients. 2 sticks of butter, right, Angel? Mm-hmm. And that makes that's half, 1 stick is half a cup, yeah. Right? So we have, wait, hold on.
Wait,
that's one.
Because we need 4.
That means we need 4, right? Because we need 4 cups of 2 cups of butter. So now we have half stick of butter, so that makes 1 cup of butter. Yeah. So Angel, go ahead and melt it up.
Okay. We have 4 eggs and I'm going to quickly beat it up. I'm going to add the butter to the bowl when she's done. I'm gonna pour the egg now into the bowl.
This is gonna make it easier. Don't you think this?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. I thought I could use that one.
As a matter of fact, I think the fork is gonna make it easier.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is easier to do. And that's like mixing eggs with that.
So it's good. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. It's gonna make it smell so good. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 350. We're going to bake this for an hour. So preheating your oven is very, very important. You want it kind of lukewarm or warm before you go ahead and put the dough in. So oven, bake 350. Start. So we're going to go ahead and mix the wet and dry ingredients together. Come on, Angelique. Gradually pour it in. Don't pour everything.
Oh, not everything?
No,
Yeah.
We're going to gradually pour it. So it's not, if you pour everything, it's going to be difficult to like mix. So just gradually. Nice. You pour, you hold on, and then you pour it. Go. See, it's like getting
thicken.
Exactly, and the more it thickens, the more it becomes more difficult to, like, you know, whisk. Go, go, go. Like I said, the recipe and ingredients and measurements, everything is going to be in the description box or in the caption. So this is the fun part, guys. You either add whichever topping you want. You can add walnuts, raisin, or chocolate chips. And of course for the girls or the kids, and of course the kids want chocolate chips in theirs, and we love raisin and walnuts more. So what we're going to do is what?
Add the raisins and the chocolate chip.
No, we have to divide it, since we are making walnut and raisin in one and chocolate chip in one. So now we have to divide. You can use butter to grease your pan, but because the oven is ready, I'm just going to quickly use olive oil. Just grease. Just grease the pan. I say grease.
You should really want me to do this one.
You can use either butter or oil to grease your pan. I'm using olive oil.
Either way.
Either way works. Yeah. Either of the two.
We have our healthy, which is little.
So we're gonna do the chocolate chips here.
Why?
The smaller one. Just because I know you guys like chocolate chips, but let's see, because this is our first time using chocolate chips. I don't want you guys to say, oh, I don't like it in the banana bread. Let's see how it tastes with the chocolate chips.
We have our unhealthy option and our healthy option.
Which one is the healthy option? The what?
The chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip is the unhealthy option.
No.
She said the chocolate chips is the healthy. For where? Mix this one with your chocolate chip. Hurry. Okay, while they are adding this, I'm gonna add raisin.
You should be switched. Why is the
and where's the walnut?
Why is the raisins in the bigger bowl?
Because I don't know how the dark chocolate chips is gonna taste.
Okay, that's a healthy option. I will mix the angel.
So I added the raisin and the walnut. Oh, this looks so good, guys.
This looks like a cookie dough, like chocolate chip cookies.
This one is here eating up the whole chocolate chips.
Just put it in, bro. That's a lot, though. You chocolate chip and apples.
Hurry, guys, so we can pour the batter. The oven is ready.
Oh yeah. I admire the chocolate chips. It looks like.
So this is the chocolate chips.
Put all of the chocolate chips in, please. Oh yeah. The max amount of health. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 chocolate chips that are left unattended.
Yeah.
My hands are weak.
Angel, whoever it is, give me.
Don't put every single raisin in, please.
Why? You want to eat raw dough? Alright, so here we are.
Mom, you should do twins and mom baking episode 1 banana bread mommy cookies.
We're gonna go upstairs, Izzy.
Alright, okay, so we're gonna put this in the oven and bake it for 1 hour. I'm gonna put the bigger one up here. And then the smaller one. Shh. Hi girls, hi Izzy.
Hi.
And then the smaller one in here.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello.
What are you making?
Banana bread. Yum.
That? Oh, what are you making?
It's ready! Yay! You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the chocolate chip here, and then we have the raisins.
Oh, finally.
Ooh. Oh my god. You guys are ready? Which
Yeah.
one are you testing? Which
This
one?
one.
The chocolate chip.
No.
Let's go, mister. Ooh.
Oh yeah. You said it.
Oh my gosh, the chocolate chip, I thought it would melt. It didn't.
Number one
Oh my gosh,
chocolate
that is so
chip.
sweet.
Can I eat it already?
No, not yet. Hold on.
It's gonna be done by tomorrow morning.
I know.
Yeah.
You people, what do your father call you again? Big back, right?
Yes. Big back, big back.
Careful. Easy. Angel, you're a big bag. How come you're taking the two? Did I say you can take the walnut? I thought you guys said you only want the chocolate
No, I
chip.
said I want both. I'll try
Oh
it.
my gosh. I'm not interested in the chocolate, but I might take.
This is good.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna make the people on here feel hungry.
Oh my god. So guys, here we are with the two. This is the chocolate chip. This is walnut and raisin. Look, so soft and moist. Angelique, how many have you eaten? Jesus Christ.